In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use your Cash App card to make payments on Afterpay. This is a very simple process, but a lot of people get confused about where to find the payment inside Cash App, so I'll walk you through everything clearly. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Before anything else, it's a good idea to check that your Cash App balance has enough money for the payment you're planning to make. You can see your balance right on the home screen at the top. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Activity section. This tab shows every transaction linked to your account purchases, deposits, Cash App card payments, and more. Scroll through this list until you find the Afterpay purchase that was charged using your Cash App card. Tap on that transaction to open the full details. Here, you'll see the date, the amount, and all the information related to that specific installment. Now, inside this screen, you should see an option that says Pay, Make a Payment, or something similar depending on your version of the app. Tap that option to continue. Cash App will now ask you how much you want to pay. You can type in the full amount if you want to completely clear that installment, or you can enter a smaller amount if you're only making a partial payment today. After entering the number, tap Done or Next. At this point, Cash App will process the payment using your Cash App card on file. Just give it a moment. Once the payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation message, and the transaction will appear in your Activity tab almost instantly. Afterpay will also update your installment status shortly after, usually within a few minutes. And that's all there is to it. That's how you use your Cash App card to pay off your Afterpay installments quickly and easily, all from inside the Cash App.